How to add audio to a video on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the iMovie application on your phone. Once you're here, tap on Movie at the bottom. Choose the videos you want to add from here and then tap on Create Movie below. You can now combine and edit the video lengths on this page. Then, tap on the plus icon as shown and then select Audio. Here, go to Soundtracks. You can view and listen to all the available soundtracks over here. Tap on the plus icon beside the soundtrack that you want to add. You have now added this soundtrack to the video. Tap on the play button to get a preview. After previewing, tap on Done at the top left corner. Now, go to the bottom panel and tap on the Share button in the middle. Select Save or Share Video. Here, you can view all the sharing options available. Scroll down and tap on Save Video. You have successfully saved this video to your phone. Go back and open up the Photos application. You will find the video you just saved over here. Open the video to view it. Following these steps, you can easily add audio to a video on iPhone.